right, releasing the anterior deltoid. I'm going to release my left anterior deltoid. I'm going to use my right hand to do so. I have the mini integrator here, and also I have the fork attachment. You want the fork attachment to do this because we're going to do some cross fiber work with the muscle. Okay, so lie on your back. So then what you're going to do is bring your arm down at a 45. The movements that we're going to do with the arm are going to be, the palm is going to be facing the body, but then you're going to be turning the palm up towards the ceiling like so. So it's basically what's called a supination movement, and you're going to turn that palm up and kind of twist your elbow towards your body. Right? I'm going to set the integrator on, in this case, speed of 1. Then the delt is right. It starts from right about here, and then it comes, the anterior delt comes out to right about there. So you can kind of feel, if you slide your fingers along, you kind of feel all of a sudden there's this bump that kind of goes up. That's the start of the anterior delt. So basically, if you run along here and then come across like this and do this cross fiber work across the deltoid, like so, you're going to be spreading out those fibers because most people have rounded shoulders, and so it gets really short in here like this. So we're spreading out the fibers this way. So you're here and you're spreading out the fibers like this. You don't have to press very hard, and it's more than likely going to be a little bit tight on you. Then take the one side of the fork, the inside edge of the fork, and place it in this groove right here, right at that beginning, that start place, and just kind of go. I'm not actually sliding, I'm just kind of pushing back and forth like this, but I'm emphasizing movement out this way. So I'm kind of going here and I'm kind of putting a little bit of pressure, but you can see I'm not sliding, and it slides a little bit and I just reset it back to that position. That's when you're there. That's when we're gonna take the palm and we're gonna rotate it up towards the ceiling, and then we're gonna come back to this neutral position, or palm all the way down, and then rotate it out. And so what we're doing is we're getting layers of tissue as we kind of hold the integrator in this position. Don't press really hard, just kind of either let the weight of it or like let the weight of your hand kind of keep it in this position. I'm not cranking down on it. You don't want to crank down on it. You can actually bruise the tissue. We don't want to bruise tissue. You want to release the tissue. Again, I'm just rolling my palm upwards towards the ceiling as I do this. Then you can kind of change the spot right here and do the same thing. Or you can find like little knotty, like knot positions, little knot positions in here on the front side of it. And then you can also come down onto the arm because the deltoid comes down like this and attaches into this area. So even getting like down in this area is really good. So the arm movement, palm up and palm down as you rotate it. You can hold it in one position, or you can just stay still and just kind of do some cross fiber work. But you can also do that palm work, kind of time the hand going from down to open as you come out like this with the integrator. All right, let me know if you have any questions in the